What's up, everybody? We're here at the Strike Visuals warehouse where we ship out things, and we're going to do another strength test for the magnesium frame like this one we have here. Magnesium frame is our new tent frame. It's the lightest, strongest frame in the world ever made. It's brand new, exclusive from Strike Visuals, but we're going to get to the strength test. We're going to be doing some weight tests and pull-ups and stuff on the crossbars, and we're going to use 2 crossbars because each frame has 2 crossbars that intersect once the frame is up. The crossbars are above you. It's what holds the whole frame up on top. So let's get to it. All right, I'm on the scale weighing myself. I'm about 177 with all my clothes and shoes and everything and the lunch I just ate. So I'm going to go up on the crossbars and do some pull-ups, and we'll see how it holds up on my weight. We have 2 crossbars up here, and I'm going to put my weight on it, and we'll just see how they hang up. Maybe I'll do some pull-ups. We'll see. We're going to do it both ways, this way and this way. When the tent frame is set up, you can get wind coming from different directions, and it'll bend it in different ways, so we'll see how it goes. All weight. So as you can see, with all my weight on it, we got very little to any bending. Definitely didn't snap. It bent down. My whole weight is on it right now. And then when I put my weight off, it bends back into place. And that's kind of what it will look like if your frame is set up and the wind is coming super hard. Even if you have a back wall catching the air, your tent will flex, bend, and then it'll shape back up, but it won't snap and it won't break. And that's one of the benefits of the magnesium. Not to mention it's also the lightest frame ever made. So it's the lightest and strongest. And so this is our strength test for the week. I'm gonna do some more, put some more weight on it. I'm gonna put it on this vertical. Let's do some reps. All right, let's put it the other way. Alright, I think it's a good visualization to see how the frame bends, but then bounces back. So you can go to strikenow.com/mag, that's MAG, and sign up to get on our waiting list to be among the first to get the lightest and strongest tent when they become available here very shortly. Limited stock is available, so you can even pre-order. So go check that out, strikenow.com/mag, and get the lightest, strongest tent frame ever made.